some of the common myths associated with root canal treatment. We'll be addressing those myths and then speaking about what are the facts about root canal treatment. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers at Chennai, Raja, Annamalaipuram since the year 2001. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Pearls Dentistry, please do subscribe. We've got a whole bunch of videos coming out in the next 1 year. Some of the common myths are, I need to get a root canal done only when my tooth hurts. It need not always be the case. Pain is one of the symptoms that we feel when there is a problem that is happening in the tooth. But when you visit your dentist, the dentist can take an x-ray, look at the tooth and see there can be some underlying infection that is progressing beyond the tooth root into the bone, which can be identified by the dentist in the x-ray, explain to you and then tell why is it important to do a root canal treatment even though you don't have pain, just to ensure that the tooth stays protected and also you are safe from having a pain in the future. The second myth is root canal requires multiple visits. With the latest advances in the technology that is there, root canal can be done in one single visit. Of course, provided the tooth is, otherwise there is not a draining abscess, there is not an active infection that is progressed beyond the tooth root. It is very safe, possible to finish the root canal in one visit, and also a successful outcome also is expected out of it. And with single visit dentistry and CEREC digital dentistry, it's not only possible to get the root canal done in one visit, it's also possible to get the root canal and crowns done in one visit. So it's possible, multiple visits can be avoided. The third common myths are root canal are, instead of doing root canal, extractions are better. Definitely nothing can replace your own natural teeth. So when it is possible to save the tooth with a root canal treatment, we are extending the lifetime of your own natural teeth. Say even by 5 to 10 years time, it's always better to retain your natural teeth for that extra period of time than getting a bridge or a dental implant done. At the end of the day, your natural teeth, our God-given natural teeth, are the best for your mouth. Whatever we try to do after that is only second to the best. The fourth common myth are the benefits of root canal are temporary. Definitely no. The effects of a root canal are very long term. It can give you a very long term definitive solution. There are many successful instances where root canal treated teeth are remaining functional in the mouth for many decades. So definitely it's not a short term thing, it's definitely a long term procedure. The final thing, of course, is about the root canal being very painful. I understand the tooth sometimes can be like a hot tooth. The underlying infection can be such that there might be a temporary pain that is experienced by our patients when we initially start the root canal. To prevent such pain, we can put the patient under sedation or give the patient a sedative pill, a sedative pill which they will take before the procedure, which helps them to calm them down. Also take an anti-inflammatory medication which will help to reduce the inflammation in the tooth, which will make the patient more comfortable while getting the root canal done. I hope we have addressed some of the common myths that are associated with the root canal. Of course, if there are any questions, please do ask us. We'll be happy to answer. Until next time, this is Dr. Arun signing off. Bye from Pearls Dentistry. Thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.